Hi students, let's take up the topic of combinations today. We did permutations earlier, now we take up combinations. Now what does combination mean? Combination means selection or choosing. Say you have any R, n things given to you and you're supposed to choose any R things. So what do? NCR over there. Out of n things, you have to choose any R things. You have to select any R things. Then we do what? NCR. It is given by the formula n factorial by R factorial into n minus R ka factorial. In other words, NCR is what? Nothing but NPR by R factorial. So from here what can I say? NPR is equals to NCR into R factorial. What was NPR? NPR was n factorial by n minus R का factorial. इसमें और क्या आ गया? n factorial by R factorial into n minus R का factorial. Now in combination, order does not matter. If you are choosing a team, now if you choose the captain first, that's okay. Or if you choose the vice captain first and then the captain and then the entire team, it is immaterial. So order does not matter over there. In committee problems, order does not matter. So if you're choosing a committee, if you're making a president, a vice president, so whether you make a president first or a vice president first and choose the entire committee, first you can choose the entire committee, then make a president or a vice president, so it is immaterial over there. So in all committee problems, team problems, combination is used. For example, I'm supposed to choose a team of 2 players from 3 given players. I have 3 given players to me as X, Y and Z. So in how many ways can I do? I can make one team as XY, I can make the other team as YZ and the third team as XZ. Now if I make a team over here, XY and YX are not going to be different. In case of permutations, when we were making words, XY is a different word and YX is a different word, but here it does not matter. So the team can be chosen in how many ways? 3 ways. Now you had 3 available words and you alphabets, and you had to make a team of 2 from those available, those 3 given letters. So in how many ways could you do that? You could do that in 3C2 ways, which is what? 3 factorial by 2 factorial into 3 minus 2 factorial, which comes out to be 3 ways. I have listed down the 3 ways over here: XY, YZ and XZ. Now I am stating some formulas on combination. There are lots of formulas on combination. Please do remember NC0 is same as NCN, which is equals to 1. Please do remember NC1 is N, which is same as NCN minus 1. I'll give you a work. Calculate 5C0, 5C5, 5C1 and 5C4. From here when you calculate, you will see 5C0 is 1, 5C5 is also 1. 5C1 is 5 and 5C4 is 5. So please do calculate this particular thing. Now we have another formula. NCR is same as NCN minus R. That's a formula. That is why over here 5C1 and 5C4 are the same. Then we have a very important formula. If NCA is equals to NCB, then what happens? Either A is equal to B or A plus B is equals to N. Then we have another, this is a theorem, we'll prove it later. NCR plus NCR minus 1 is equals to N plus 1 CR. So make a note of all this. Now when you're doing questions, there would be a great confusion कि कहाँ permutation use करना है, कहाँ combination use करना है. सब questions jumbled आएंगे. आपको ऐसा नहीं बोलेगा कि इस question में combination use करो या इस question में permutation use करो. तो वो आपको identify करना आना पड़ेगा. So when we do questions together, it's going to be difficult over there. ये एक major problem आती है बच्चों के साथ. उन्हें ये नहीं पता चलता कि permutation करना है कि combination करना है. So I have stated the differences between permutation and and combination. In permutation, order matters. Now here xy and yx are two different words, though order matters. TOO and OTO, that's a different word. Now in combination, order does not matter. You just xy is one particular combination that you have. Now, where is permutation used? Permutation is used in number problem, word problems, codes problems and seating arrangement problems. Seating arrangement mein it's going to be different. Seating arrangement problem. Ram, Mohan and Sita, that's one arrangement. Now Sita, Ram and Mohan, that's another arrangement. So seating arrangement problems, order matters. So their permutations is used. Now combination is used in team problems where you have to choose a team, committee problems, and please do remember geometrical problems. We'll do geometrical problems. You want to form how many chords can be formed from the given points, or how many triangles can be formed from a given particular point. That's called geometrical problems. Then the formulas are different over there. Let's take up a question now. In how many ways? 7.4 question 4 is what I'm taking. In how many ways can 3 boys and 3 girls be selected from 5 boys and 5 girls? So available are how many? 5 boys and 5 girls. So in how many ways can you do that? You want 3 boys, so the 3 boys you'll choose from what? From the given 5 boys, so 5C3, and the girls you will choose in how many ways? Again 5C3, because you have available how many girls? You have available 3 girls, 3 boys and 3 girls. So that is why we will have to multiply it. Come on, solve it. How much is 5C3 into? I solve it 5 factorial by 3 factorial into 5 minus 3 ka factorial into 5 factorial by 3 factorial into 5 minus 3 ka factorial. So when I solve from here, I get my answer as 40. Clear or not? Understood this? So you had 5 boys available and 5 girls available, and you had to choose a team of 3 boys and 3 girls. So in how many ways did you do that? 5C3 into 5C3. The boys could be chosen in 5C3 ways. The girls could be chosen in another 5C3 ways. So totally in how many ways can they be chosen? 5C3 into 5C3. Let's take up another question on cards. Now cards is something very important. There could be different of questions on cards. I'll just take that up. Determine the number of 5 card combination from 52 cards if there is exactly one ace in each combination. First I'll tell you what is there in cards. 52 total cards, 26 red cards and 26 black cards is what you have. Then you have 13 cards of each suit. That means 13 clubs, 13 diamonds, 13 hearts and 13 spades. So that is the number of 4 suits you have. Each card has 13 suits. Now you have 4 of each kind. 4 kings, 4 ace, 4 tens. So that is how you have the cards. Try it out in lockdown. You can play and also see. So you get an idea about it. So 5 card combination with exactly one ace. So there should be what? 5 cards should have what? The 5 cards should have one ace and 4 other cards. One ace and 4 other cards. Now the one ace can be chosen. One ace can be chosen in how many ways? How many aces do you have in 52 cards? You have 4 aces. So 4 में से कोई भी एक choose करोगे. So the one ace can be chosen in 4C1 ways. And what about the 4 other cards? Now the 4 other cards would come from where? From the 48 cards, because they don't have to be ace. तो 4 ace तो हमने अलग रख दिए, उसमें से एक कार्ड पिकअप किया और 48 कार्ड्स हमने अलग रखे. अब उन 48 में से कितने पिकअप करने? 4 पिकअप करने हैं. So the 4 other cards can be chosen in how many ways? They can be chosen in 48C4 ways. So total number of ways to choose the 5-card combination. You have to form a 5-card combination. 1 ace and 4 others. So total number of ways would be what? Nothing but 4c1 into 48c4. It would be what? 4c1 into 48c4. Come on, solve this. 4c1 is 4 and 48c4. Apply the formula. 48 factorial by 4 factorial into 48 minus 4 ka factorial. So when you solve this, you get the answer as 778,320. So that would be your required particular answer, and you need to do the full calculations also over here. You have to solve them completely. So that is how you do combinations. There would be a homework coming in on combinations. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.